Right? Take up 4.2 exercise. The second question. Show that the first point A of what here? A comma B plus C. Second point that is B comma C plus A. Third point is C comma A plus B. Show that these points are said to be what here? Collinear points. We know that if the 3 points are said to be collinear, meaning the points are intersect at the same line. That is said to be what here? Collinear. Right? Take up the first point again here. The first point A of what? A comma B plus C, and the second point that is B comma C plus A, and the third point is C comma A plus B now. Right? Take up. We know that area of the triangle formula, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 what here? X1, Y1, 1, X2, Y2, 1, X3, Y3, 1 now. That equals to 0. Now to take up the area of the triangle formula is equals to 0 because the points are said to be collinear points, then the answer becomes what here? 0. Right? Right below. Take up again 1 by 2 into now. Take formula now. X into what? X into y minus y plus of what here? X into y minus y plus of what? X into, okay, or maybe write down the all first points here. Right? Take up 1 by 2 into now. X1 meaning the A. Cut up B plus C, and it is 1 now. X1, Y1, 1. Right? X2, B. Okay, next up C plus A, and it is 1 now. X3, Y3, that is C. Next up A plus B, and 1 now. That up equals to 0 now. Right? Take up formula here. Right? That is 1 by 2 into what? X1 Y2 minus Y3 plus X1 becomes X2, Y2 becomes Y3 minus Y3 becomes Y1 plus X2 becomes X3, right? Y3 becomes Y1 minus Y1 becomes Y2, right? Equals to 0 now. Right? This formula. Okay. Now take up 1 by 2 as it is into now. 1 by 2 as it is into. Right? Now this x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 now. Right? Meaning they are expanding along what? Data by column 1 now. और यहाँ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Expanding along C1 ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ 1 by 2 x1 meaning a. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? x1 meaning a now, right? Into now, okay, into y2 minus y3. y2 term is what? C plus a now. C plus a minus, right? y3 meaning the a plus b now. Don't write a plus b, take this again. A plus b in bracket now. A plus b in bracket. Now it is a y2 minus it is a y3. Correct? Now it is y2, it is a y3, right? Next up plus of what? x2 now. x2 meaning b now. b into take up y3 minus y1. y3 a plus b. Got up a plus b now. y3 a plus b minus y1 b plus c. Take in bracket now. That is b plus c now. Okay. Next up again plus x3 meaning c now. Okay, c into y1 minus y2. y1 b plus c. Got up y1 b plus c minus y2 c plus a. Take in bracket now. That is c plus a now. Got up c plus a now equals to 0. Right? Okay. 1 by 2 as it is into, right? A as it is, now take it is c plus a again as it is. Now multiply negative for both the terms here. It becomes what? Minus into plus minus a. Minus into plus minus b now. Right? Next plus b into, that is a plus b keep as it is. Again multiply sign here. Minus into plus minus b. Minus into plus minus c now. Okay. Next plus c into b plus c as it is. Minus into plus minus c, minus into plus minus a now, minus a equals to 0. Okay. Next 1 by 2 into here, plus a minus a get cancelled. and plus b minus b get cancelled, right? Next plus c minus c get cancelled, right? Then what are the remaining terms here? A into c minus b plus b into what? A minus c plus c into what? B minus a, okay, equals to 0 now, right? It is 1 divided by 2, divided by 2. Now transfer it here, it becomes what here? Into 2. 0 into 2, it becomes completely 0 now, right? That is a into c minus b plus b into a minus c plus c into what? B minus a equals to 0 now, right? Now a into c, ac plus into minus minus a into b, it is ab plus into plus b into a, b or maybe ab, okay. Next plus into minus minus a into b into c, that is bc plus into plus b into c, bc only beta. Next plus into minus minus c into a, c or maybe ac now, okay, ac equals to 0, right? Now plus ac minus ac get cancelled, okay, plus bc minus bc get cancelled, minus ab plus ab get cancelled, the answer becomes what here? 0. So therefore the point a, b and c are what? Which points here? Which points are collinear points now, are collinear points now, right? Okay, right now. Take up next question number 3. Find the value of k if the area of the triangle is a 4 square units now. Okay, they are given area of the triangle is a 4 square units. Already area got now. Okay. And the vertices are what here? K, 0, 4, 0, 0, 2 now. Right? Solution. Okay. Take up the first point is what here? K, 0. Take now it is a x1, y1. Okay. Next up, second point is 4, 0. Take this x2, y2. And the third point 0, 2. Now this one can be taken as x3, y3 now. Right? Again they are given again another information is area of the triangle is 4 square units. Already ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟ, right? ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ the area of what here? Area of triangle is what? 4 square units now. 4 square units. Then what is the value of k now? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದ ಅಂತ, right? Take the formula now. Okay, we know that area of triangle is equals to what? 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 now. Okay, again now the formula becomes area of the triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is a formula, right? Take up here values now. 1 by 2 as it is into now. Confusion bada aram balli no. 1 by 2 as it is. x1 meaning k, 0 and it is 1. x2 y2 4 0 1. x3 y3 0 2 1 now. Okay, area of the triangle value is 4 square units. Take it is plus or minus 4 now. Either maybe positive or maybe negative irಬಹುದು, ನಂಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Right? Now plus or minus 4 is equals to 1 by 2 as it is into now. Okay, x1 k into y2 minus y3 0, right? 0 minus y3 2 now. Okay, next up plus x2 value 4, x2 value is 4, y3 minus y1 2 minus y1 0. Okay, next up plus x3 0 into y1 minus y2 0 minus 0 now, 0 minus 0, right? Now plus or minus 4. Now it is 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 2 now. Transfer 2, it becomes into 2. That into 2 is equals to 1 into this one. Write down as it is k into 0 minus 2 minus 2. Right? Plus 4 into 2 minus 0 2. Next 0 into anything that is 0 only. Right? Plus or minus 4 into 2, which is 8 now. 8 is equals to plus into minus, minus 2 into k, that is 2k, plus into plus, plus 4 2 is 8 now. 0 and 8 now. Okay. Now next one, the plus or minus 8 as it is, separate the constant here. Plus 8 transfer, it becomes what here? Minus 8 is equals to minus 2k now. That now what happens? Minus 2k is equals to what is the term here? Plus or minus 8 minus 8 now. Right? Minus 2k is equals to, okay, it is plus or minus 8. Take one time positive 8, another one is negative 8. Right? It becomes 8 minus 8. Now consider ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ positive ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಇದು ನಾನು solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. Minus 2k is equals to 8 minus 8 0. Then k is equals to 0 by anything, it becomes what here? 0 now. 0 by divided by minus 2, it becomes 0. Right? Take up the k value is negative. Then what happens? Minus 2k is equals to minus 8 minus 8 now. Okay. Then minus 2k is equals to minus 8 minus 8 minus 16. Minus minus get cancelled. 2k is equals to 16. Then k is equals to 16 divided by 2. Then k is equals to what here? The k value is what? 8 now. K value is 8 now. So therefore the value of k is maybe 0, 0 or 8, 0 now. Right? So value of k is equals to 0 and the value of k is equals to 8 now. Okay. Right on. Right, take up again third bit of second question. The find the value of k. The area of the triangle is 4 square units and the vertices are minus 2, 0, 0, 4 and 0, k. Right, take up solution. We know that the first point is minus 2, 0 is nothing but what? x1, y1 and the second point 0, 4 is nothing but x2, y2. Right? Third point 0, k is equals to what? x3, y3. Okay. Take up area of triangle is equals to formula 1 by 2 into x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Cut up. Next one, they are given already. What is how much area it is? 4 square units. Take this up. Plus or minus 4 is equals to 1 by 2 into now. Right? x1, y1 minus 2, 0, 1, x2, y2 0, 4, 1, x3, y3 0, k, 1. Right? Now take up formula here. Area of the triangle is that is plus or minus 4 is equals to 1 by 2 as it is into now. Tell me x1 minus 2 into y2 4 minus y3 k. Data plus x2 value 0 into anything 0 only. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೆಸೆಸರಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Right? Plus x3 is nothing but what again? x3 is 0. 0 into anything 0. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. Okay. Next one, the plus or minus 4, it is divided by 2. Transfer becomes into 2 now. Okay. Is equals to 1 into this one. The now term is what? Minus 2 into 4 minus k only. Got up? Plus or minus 4 2s are 8. 8 is equals to minus into plus. Okay. Okay. So okay. Minus into plus minus 2 4s are 8 k now. Minus into minus plus 2k. Right? Next one, the plus or minus 8 is equals to minus 8k plus 2k minus minus 6k now. Minus 6k. Right? Next one, the plus or minus 8 is equals to right minus 6k. ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 4 2s are 8 only data minus k plus minus it is 4 2s are 8 only not k here right next plus or minus 8 as it is equals to now minus 8 transfer here it becomes plus 8 is equals to 2k only now data 2k is equals to plus or minus 8 plus 8 now plus or minus 8 meaning one time take positive one time on negative data now take here positive now 2k is equals to 8 plus 8 you consider here 2k is equals to minus 8 plus 8 then 2k is equals to 16 then k is equals to what 16 divided by 2 then k is equals to 8 now k value is 8 or 2k is equals to 8 minus 8 plus 8 get cancel 0 then k is equals to 0 by 2 0 now so therefore the value of k are 0 and 8 now okay first and second answers same here right right now right okay take up the question number 4 first one the find the equation of the line joining the 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 6 using the determinant right take here solution what is the first point now 1 comma 2 is equals to what x1 comma y1 and the second point 3 comma 6 is equals to x2 comma y2 right problem ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ third point miss ಆಗಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಲ್ಲ x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 data they are not given x3 y3 data so therefore they are not given x3 and y3 meaning we have to take x comma y ಏನು ಹೊಂದಿರಬಹುದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ right we know that that is 1 by 2 formula x1 y1 x1 y1 1 next x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 is equals to 0 ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ equation of the line ಬಂತಂದ್ರ the area of the triangle the formula becomes what here equals to 0 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡಿ right next what happens here 1 by 2 and on the formula x1 into y2 minus y3 okay plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 right equals to 0 now equals to 0 right take up 1 by 2 as it is okay 1 by 2 as it is now 1 by 2 as it is into x1 x1 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ right take it is a 1 by 2 right ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಬಿಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ ಬರೀರಿ right ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರೋಣ that is 1 by 2 into now 1 by 2 okay 1 by 2 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 now x1 1 2 1 x2 y2 3 6 1 right next x3 y3 x y1 x y1 equals to 0 now right add on the terms in the formula 1 by 2 as it is into x1 meaning the 1 into y2 minus y3 6 minus y right next plus x2 that is 3 right y3 minus y1 y3 minus y1 y minus 2 plus next x3 meaning that is x into right y1 minus y2 y1 minus y2 2 minus y 2 minus y is equals to 0 now right 2 minus 6 now y 1 minus y2 right 2 minus 6 now 2 minus 6 right it is 1 divided by 2 now transfer it becomes into 2 0 into 2 it is completely 0 I think right 1 by 2 दिया उड़ीते निकले 1 into 6 minus y 6 minus y plus into plus plus 3 into y 3y plus into minus minus 3 into 2 6 plus into plus plus x into 2 that is 2x plus into minus minus x into 6 that is a 6 x now 6 x right plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled right? See here, minus 2y plus 3y, minus 1y plus 3y plus 2y, plus 2y, right? Next plus 2x minus 6x minus 4x equals to 0, right? Take 2 common in both the terms now. 2 common y minus 2x equals to 0. Now it is into, so therefore y minus 2x equals to 0 divided by 2 now. Transfer, it becomes divided now. Y minus 2x equals to 0 now. So therefore it is the what? Equation of the line now, right? So equation of the line is y minus 2x equals to 0, or maybe hinnu baribodu sometimes henga y is equals to minus 2x transfer plus 2x plus 2x now. Y is equals to 2x, or maybe y minus 2x equals to 0 now. Both answers are what? Same. Okay, right now. Right, fourth with the second question, the find the equation of the line joining the points, that is 3, 1, 9, 3 using the determinants now. Okay, so fill out bit. Right, the first point is 3, 1, x1, y1, second point 9, 3, x2, y2, third point they are not given, so therefore take the x, y, that is x3, y3 now. Right, again the formula becomes equals to 0, right? Write on the values here, that is 1 by 2, x1, y1 3 1 0, x2 y2 9 3 0, x3 y3 x y 1 equals to 0 now, right? Again we know that the formula here, right? Area of the triangle is equals to what? Area, or maybe take it is 1 by 2 into, right, x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equals to what? 0 now, right? Write down all the values in a given formula. 1 by 2 into, what is the x1 value? 3, into y2 minus y3 3 minus y plus x2 9, okay, y3 minus y1 y minus 1 now, okay, plus x3 x into y1 minus y2 y1 minus y2 1 minus 3 equals to 0 again, right? Again see here, it is 1 divided by 2 transfer here, it becomes into 2 into 0 into 2 0, right? What are the remaining terms? 3 into 3 minus y plus 9 into y minus 1 plus x into 1 minus 3 minus 2. Next plus into plus 3 3 is 9, plus into minus 3 into y 3y, plus into plus 9 into y 9y, plus into minus 9 ones are 9, plus into minus x into 2, that is 2x equals to 0 now, right? All simplify made minus 9 plus 9 get cancelled, right? See here, search the like terms here. Minus 3y plus 9y, what happens? Plus 6y, right? Minus 2x equals to 0 now. What is the common here? 2 common, right? 2 3s are y minus 1x equals to 0 now. 3y minus x equals to 0 by 2, 0 now, right? So therefore 3y minus x equals to 0, or maybe minus x transfer here plus x in ಬಂತ ಇದು y x is equals to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ x is equals to 3y, it is the equation of the line now. Okay, right now, right, take up the last question. If the area of the triangle is 35 square units, already they are given area of the triangle, that is 35 square units, right? 35 square units with the vertices are what? Minus 2 comma minus 6 is first vertex, and the second vertex is 5 comma 4, and the third vertex that is k comma 4 now, right? Then what is the value of k? They are given 4 options, right? The first point can be taken as x1 comma y1, second point x2 y2, third point x3 y3 now, right? We know that that is area of the triangle is equals to formula 1 by 2 into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 now, x3 y3 1, right? Area of the triangle is equals to value 35 square meters. Got up? Which 35? Plus or minus 35 I will take, right? Plus or minus 35 is equals to 1 by 2 into x1 y1 2 minus 6 1, x2 y2 5 4 1, x3 y3 a4 1, a4 1 now, right? Next one come, see here, plus or minus 35, okay, is equals to 1 by 2 as it is into now formula in the x into y minus x1 1 2 3 now, okay, plus x1 becomes x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 now, y1 minus y2, right? Next one the plus or minus 35, it is divided by 2, transfer here into 2 into 2 is equals to ಉಳಿತೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಪೂರ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಟ್ right, that is a x1 meaning, or maybe take one more step here, keep plus or minus 35 as it is 1 by 2 as it is into and x1 now. What is x1? 2 into y2 minus y3 4 minus 4, okay, plus x2 5, right? y3 minus y1 4 minus minus of minus plus 6, got 4 plus 6 plus x3 k into y1 minus y2 minus 6 minus 4, minus 6 minus 4, right? It is divided by 2, transfer here, it becomes into 2, plus or minus 35 into 2 is equals to, right? 2 into 0, 4 minus 4 0, plus 5 into 4 plus 6 that is 10, plus k into minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 now, minus 10, 35 to 70 now, plus or minus 70 is equals to 2 0 0, next one the 5 10 50 plus into minus minus 1 10 into k, that is 10 k now, right? Then plus or minus 70 as it is minus plus 50 transfer here, it becomes minus 50 is equals to minus 10k now. That what happens now? Minus 10k is equals to plus or minus 70 minus 50. Take one time positive and another time is negative. That then what happens? Minus 10k is equals to take plus 70, right? 70 minus 50 minus 10k is equals to which 20 here? 70 minus 50, 20 now. Got up? Then k is equals to 20 divided by minus 10. Then k is equals to what? 10 was the 10 to which 2 here? K value is minus 2 now. Right? Take one time is negative. Right? Minus 10k is equals to what? Minus 70 minus 50 minus 10k is equals to minus 70 minus 50 minus 120, minus minus get the answer, k is equals to 120 divided by 10, then k is equals to what here? 12 now. So therefore the value of k is 12 and minus 2 now. 12 and minus 2 illa. So 12 and minus 2 is option D now. So therefore the answer is D1, right? Now the exercise 4.2 is completed. Thank you.